So, but this is something that I developed over the years in my life. That so I will try to tell you even a little bit how I think when I do my exercise. So you can maybe take it home and then apply it for whatever you do. Yeah. Everybody go down.
来，我们试试看。所有人
Go down. And then now try to use outstep coming up.
起来的时候，小拇指的那个外侧先回来。
You see now everybody's demi-plie is like this.
对，一半回到 demi-plie。对。
Yeah. You understand? Very important this. Yeah. So when you do, just do grand plie like you did before. Like without thinking. Just go. Like that, right? Yeah. Like that, yeah. But now go down and then try to really concentrate. You use outside step. Come up.
试试看，试试看。
Yes, yes. Now I see the muscle working. Yeah. So if it is, how do you say in Chinese texture? Like when you bite something, like when you bite cucumber.
不同的质感、质地、质感。
Yeah. Grand plie when you come up, it has to have a quality of like you are eating squid, but not cooked squid. Raw squid, like Japanese. Yeah. Do you understand? It's not like a cucumber. No, it has to be with your food. It's very that, you know.
要细嚼慢咽啊。
Yeah.
就是一次咬下来。
Yes, yes. Because it's not important to actually do it, but it's more important what you think. It's more important that you when you do it, you have an idea to do it. Otherwise, everybody does just the way you are because the way you think. So the only way to change your dance is if you're able to change how you think, not how to do, no, how you think, then dance will change.
所以想对了就会跳对了。
Do you understand? You know?
要想。
Yeah, because I'm not lying because you just imagine one person, friend of yours, who you know the personality very well and dance. You just imagine everybody, every individual. You just imagine somebody that you know very well and they dance. You imagine. Did you imagine?
想一个你认识很久的人在跳舞。
You all must realize their personality and the way they dance is exactly the same. Can you imagine that? I mean, nobody. You just think.
想要跟你很熟悉的朋友，然后你就知道说他的个性，他跳舞会。
Do you understand? The way they talk or the way they eat, the way they dance is exactly the same. Nobody is different. Yeah? So the only way if you want to change your dance, don't only work when you're in studio, but work when you're eating, you know, work when you're walking, and work for 24 hours. That's just that you have to change the way you think. Otherwise, you will never change.
就是想要改变，平常就要想这些事情。吃饭的时候要想，走路的时候也要想，你的跳舞方式才会有改变，才会有真的。
So now you understand. Let's try to do plie. Show me. Good, do it.
试试看。
假装你在跳的时
And then
候，
do the plie. Do the plie.
韩酸梅做 plie， 我试试
Do
看。
this. And then do plie.
嘴巴。
Really like this. More.
再多一点，夸张一点。酸梅嘴。
Okay, now remember the feeling of here when you do that, yeah? Now you do this.
放松来，放松脸部肌肉。
And then do this.
好，放松看看，做看看 ，plie 做看看，放
Do
松
you。feel the difference? It's very different, yeah? But yet you do this. Why? It's very difficult for body to do this. Why you don't do it? You understand? So, Tandu, this also, what do you want to do with your leg? What do you want to do?
你要做什么这个动作的感觉？
Again, stretch, right? Stretch, right? So don't do this. No! You just show me that you know how your leg is supposed to, what you, stretch, right? So why don't you do this? Just stretch. Yeah. Another experiment. Can you do this? How do you call? We call in Japanese yorime. Yorime means put your eye.
斗鸡眼，斗鸡眼，斗鸡眼。
Okay. Stand in fifth position, and then do this, and then try to do. Try.
是会做通肚，然后斗鸡眼，试试看。
Try. And
斗鸡眼做通肚，试试看。
It's very difficult to pull in because you look very close. Then you tell your body to stretch. Two different things in your body. Something going inside, and then you tell your body to stretch. It's very simple actually. If you want to stretch, you have to look. Only your eyes have to look far. Here. But if you do.
所以拉长的时候，眼睛放远。
This is automatic. Your body will stretch.
身体就会拉长。
You cannot be smaller if you look. So this is all you have to change when you do exercise. You know what I mean? You're making it's so difficult for your body to do it. This is the thing that I say, you have to have an idea to do it. You know? Just like dancing. Just put it into your body so you know how to be with the music. All the time when music plays, you can just catch all this music. You know what I mean? It's very important because you do it every day. Yeah, you make it like, you know, something that you have to do. But no, don't forget, this is something you said you want to do. Not somebody said you have to do. But now sometimes you look like you do it like you have to do.
有没有人逼你们做这些？你们要
So
做是
how
为了
you can make people who come to
感
watch
觉
it,
音乐，把音乐跳出来。
watching your dance? Do you know what I mean? You have to connect this. What do you want to do in the end by doing that? Don't just separate it and then make it like a study. This is not study. This is something that is fun to do. Because you're making your body the way that you want it to look like, you know? It's a fun thing to do. But what dance do is like, we are trying to help you so you can make your own beauty. Don't put your arms here because your teacher said put it there. You put it there because you think for your body this is the best place. You understand? You look at the mirror, you know what is your body, where is good. So, you understand? It's all about making your own beauty, especially in contemporary dance. In ballet, maybe there is a style, you know, like Royal Ballet style, Vaganova style, it's all style. But still, yeah, I mean, the real artists, they are only looking for their own beauty. It's not about really keeping the rule. It's more about, do you have your beauty? That you strongly that you believe with your body. Can you make something beautiful out of your body? And you are the only person who knows your body. Teacher cannot know. Teacher can't feel being your body. Teacher only feels their body. You have to really feel that music to dance. Yeah. Don't just do it like a movement. It's like a language. Yeah. It's not a fetch out. Fetch out. Take a shoulder. Take a shoulder. It's like, it's the same thing, it's a language, you know. You speak with your body, to train your body, so your body will speak. In the audience, if you're like this you don't need this sound. See that? You don't see it. This is the thing you have to be aware of. Yeah? You have to. Otherwise, what no meaning. What this?
左手，
They don't
观
see.
众看到，所以不要跑到后面去，是因为在这个旁边来。
But then again, don't put it there because I tell you, what I'm trying to tell you is, see that how much you do things without you even knowing. No. Being a stage is something that you present something that you really thought of it so many times that you know it's the best place to show. That's what you want to show in every moment. So you don't want to go out there and after you come up, you don't even know what you did there. So even people like you cannot do it there because you're not conscious, you don't know. So what it is if you're in a studio, you're doing this and then you go, you have to look, you have to see, no, this is not right. It doesn't look good. You have to somehow become a person like that, you know. Like you're so aware of the ways you think, and in the end, you even end up controlling the movement of the hair on stage to make audience excited. But you know how to do it. Do you know what I mean?